Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this Halloween decorated brownie. Hey guys, today we're going to be making my favorite brownie recipe. This is my homemade brownie recipe from my Nana's favorite cookbook. We're going to start off by heating our oven at 350 degrees. And then you're supposed to do this in a saucepan, but we're going to get a large bowl and you are going to first add 4 ounces of chocolate and 2/3 cup of shortening. And I microwave that a few times at like 30-second intervals until it's totally melted. You're supposed to do it in a saucepan, so it's on the stove, but I prefer this way. It's a lot easier for me. Then to that, you want to add 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together, and then I added in my 4 eggs. You could add them all together. I think I just forgot in the moment. Once that's mixed together, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that all together. Now I took a greased 9x13 glass dish, and you're just going to pour that in. I greased mine with Crisco. Then we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, or until the brownie starts to pull away from the sides. You do not want to overbake it. So once that was fully cooled, I took a container of Pillsbury's chocolate fudge icing, and I'm just going to spread out a thin layer on top. Normally this brownie does not need icing, but we're going to decorate it up today, so I need a little bit of icing for the design. And it doesn't have to be perfect. On the side I had set about 2 cups of crushed Oreos, I think it was. We're going to totally coat the top of the brownie with it. This is totally optional. I had a small container of Pillsbury's green icing. I took that in a small 12-inch piping bag. And I just drew kind of like a vine outline. Again, totally optional. Kind of going for more of like a pumpkin patch kind of vibe. Then I took the little candy corn and pumpkin candies from Great Value's Autumn Mix. And then I just put down all of the pumpkins from the bag. Honestly, there aren't as many as you'd think. And then I scattered around some candy corns to fill in the gaps. And here's the final look for our Halloween brownie. Again, this is my favorite brownie. It's so fudgy, and it has like the crispness on top. It's just so good. And I was so excited the first time I tried this. So then I just cut a little piece out to show you how it looks. If you need to make something for an event, highly recommend. This is so simple to make. It tastes so good, and every time I make it, it is like gone within the first few days. So if you took it to a party, I'm sure it would be a big hit. Even if you don't want to decorate it, you could even just add some sprinkles on top, or you can even add nuts. Nuts are optional in this recipe. So that's pretty much it for this video for the brownie. This is like my favorite recipe to make because it's from, if you follow my mini series that I did on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, of trying out a few recipes from my Nana's favorite recipe book that I got a hold of, my own copy. I love this brownie recipe, and then like the chocolate icing on top, just added to it. Favorite. I feel like I could never make a good brownie over the years, and then I finally found that one. It was great. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content from me this spooky season. I'm going to be doing more baking videos along with some makeup and gaming videos. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.